G'day, just wanted to make a quick video on the matte black weather shields from BYD. These are the ones you get from the dealership themselves. These are not aftermarket ones from a third-party company. So these took about 3.5 months to arrive from when we picked up our car. We did our service about a month ago and they still weren't ready. So about a week ago, I called up and they were ready. So we went and picked them up and they said, you want to wait till your next service, which is 20,000 kilometers. And we said, no, we'll put them on ourselves. So they supplied us with this. So we'll just do a quick video on how to install them on. Just giving you some idea of what comes with it. The instructions are actually BYD use themselves. And we'll see how easy or hard it is to put on. But I've put weather shields on many times before and it's been fine. So we'll see how these are. There's our instruction booklet. Some of the shields. Lots of plastic, good for the environment. Alright, so 2 curves and 2 straighter ones. Let's get one of them out of here. I went the matte black version because it matches all the other matte black accents on the car, and I got the matte black bonnet protector as well. So just fit nicely with the other parts. Alright, so they come with the pre-installed tape on there. Alright, so that's the back. So the back is a shiny, glossy material. And then there's the front. So nice matte black all the way down. They look real nice. So that'll be for one of the rear doors. Let's get one of the, I can already see the Shark 6 logo on there. I wish they didn't. I know what kind of car I have, I don't need to be reminded of it. It already has it on the bonnet protector as well, which I'm not too happy about. Again, these are wrapped really well for shipping. Alright, here's one of the fronts. This will be the driver's side. So you got your Shark 6 on there. It's printed on there pretty well. It's not something that you can just rub off without making too much damage. So nice material all the way down. It should line up perfectly as well with the curves of the car. So pre-installed tape on the back, and you got your foam at the front. Alright, onto the installation procedures. So first step, thoroughly clean and dry the upper door frames before installation. Next up is to trial fit the right hand front weather shield, 20mm from the top edge with the front butt up against the mirror sail as shown. Measure the gap at the rear of the right hand front weather shield. Note the tape attachment areas. Remove the right hand front weather shield. Do not remove the tape liner at this point. Next up, with a provided alcohol wipe, clean the right hand side front door frame at the tape attachment areas to allow to dry. Apply the adhesion promoter to the tape attached areas. So on the car itself, you're going to apply that adhesion promoter. And then it says down here to allow the adhesion promoter 5 minutes drying time once applied. Last step on this page, peel back and fold approximately 50 ml of the tape liner on the right hand weather shield. So do not touch the exposed surface of the backing tape. Next up, you want to position the right hand front weather shield on the right hand front door frame, following the position in step 2. Apply light pressure to the exposed tape areas. Next up, peel the rest of the tape liner slowly by pulling the exposed ends of the liner and apply firm pressure around the attachment areas. Then with a clean cloth, rub along the right hand front weather shield at the areas of contact at a minimum of 4 times for maximum adhesion. So make sure you're rubbing that 4 times in each direction. With the provided alcohol wipe, clean the right hand side rear door frame at the tape attachment areas and allow to dry. Apply the adhesion promoter to the tape attached areas and allow that 5 minutes to dry before continuing to the next step. Peel back and fold approximately 50 ml of the tape. On the right hand weather shield, remove the small tape liners at the rear, remembering not to touch that backing when you've peeled it off. Position the right hand weather shield on the right hand rear door frame, following the positions in step 8.
I'm trying to line this line up here, the little groove that's in it, so it matches the car, but it's coming up not exactly 20 mil. So do I line that up or do I line it 20 mil? I think for me I want to line that line up. It's pretty close.
And apply light pressure to the exposed tape areas. Peel the rest of the tape liner slowly by pulling the exposed ends of the liner and apply firm pressure around the attachment areas. With a clean cloth, rub along the right hand rear weather shields at the areas of contact a minimum of 4 times for a maximum adhesion. Repeat 2 to 13 to install the left hand side weather shields to the left hand side doors. Alright, and it's showing you, don't go through the car wash. Don't throw your rubbish in the bin apparently. Wash with a soapy water and bucket and put something in your glove box. I don't know. Maybe keep your instructions in there, I don't know. What do you think? Nice and clean, 20 ml gap along the whole top. All the way over. Nice. Tried to line that gap up there, just so I could with the 20 ml above. Cool. Yeah, it's good that all the matte black matches the pillars here as well, and the bonnet protector on the front all matches in nicely with the matte black. Alright, we'll get the other side done. Alright, I'm just going to bang out this other side now. One thing I did notice, so the adhesion promoter pen for the other side, it dries very quick. So what I'm going to do here is just do both at the same time, so I have enough working time with the pen before it dries out, so I can get the whole things done. So I'm just going to clean them all, mark them all out, use the alcohol wipes adhesion pen all together instead of doing one and one. So we'll save a bit of time. That side was done a lot quicker. So that's all done now. Still with your Shark 6 logo on the passenger side as well. Overall, pretty easy. Well, real easy to put on actually. Only thing I'd pick on though is that adhesion promoter. If they want you to do, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, or individually, they need to put an extra 2 pens in. Otherwise, I'm sure in the dealership they would just do the one hole sides together. Same as what we did on this passenger side. But yeah, all installed, happy with it. And hopefully they stay on and for many years to come. All right, catch you in the next one. Cheers.